This is a tutorial on how to read non-ASCII characters using Python, and specifically with this example, I'm going to be using Japanese characters. And what we have here is in the same directory as the Python file. It can be in any directory, you just have to allow it to find it. But for simplicity, it's going to be in the same directory. There's a text file with Japanese characters, including hiragana, katakana, and kanji. So you should have an understanding of what happens if you just try to do it. So you'd get a error something like this. So if I try to run it again, you're gonna get this error, Unicode decode error, and that is because it doesn't recognize these strings over here in the decoding. So it tries to decode it using UTF-8, but what that is, it's you have to use UTF-16, and in order to do that is in the open function right here. Just going to add this value here and UTF-16. And if I try checking that right now, so I'm just going to print line by line first, just so I can show you how it reads it. Now it shows this, so it works after adding this value over here. And another problem with this is once you try to decode it, encode it with the UTF-16 codec, you're gonna get this over here. So if I try to put all the lines into a list, so I made a list called strings, and I'm just gonna make it print out string after it puts it all into it. So what we have here is it shows this. So right here, this string, and if you look in the file here, it shows this \u3000 every time there's a space, and it's also very simple to remove that. And what we're going to do is you're going to just change the value of line itself. So line equals, and by the way, you're going to need to import the re module, because it just uses regular expressions, and it should be pre-installed, so it's all good, no installing anything. Re.sub, and you're going to replace every occurrences of U3000 with a blank space with this third value as line. And there's also a new line character here, so it's also easy to remove that. So it's just r strip /n/r, and what that should do is that should remove every occurrences of U3000 and \n. And keep note that when you're trying to remove this, because you're actually removing the backslash itself, if you just do one backslash like this, it won't recognize it because it's trying to see if the U thing is something else. So you need two, because then it'll actually recognize this backslash as an actual character. So, you don't need to do it here, but once you do it here, if we print it line by line, so let's see what we get. Yes, so it prints it exactly how it's written here. And if we want to see what happens, it's what it looks like in a list. It shows this. So the list values are separated by the lines, and that's how you read non-ASCII characters, or in specific Japanese characters in Python.